Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the USB device not recognized error on Windows 10 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, the first thing you should do is unplug the device and try plugging it into another USB port. If that doesn't work, restart your system and reconnect the device. Sometimes a simple restart is all it takes to fix the issue. If that also doesn't work, you can move on with the remaining steps of this video. Now right click the Windows icon and click Device Manager. Scroll down to the bottom so you see Universal Serial Bus Controllers and click it to expand it. On this list, look for any USB port that has a downward arrow or a yellow triangle next to it. Right click the port and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers and let me pick from a list of available drivers. Here, click a driver model and click Next. Once the installation is complete, close this page, restart your system, and try reconnecting the device to see if the issue has been fixed. If the issue still persists after restarting your system, go back to the Device Manager. Just like before, down here, click Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Just like before, right-click the USB port, but this time select Uninstall Device. Now click Uninstall, restart your system, and then Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. After restarting your PC, try reconnecting the device to see if the issue has been fixed. If the last method didn't work for you, try this. Click the Windows icon, then type Control Panel. Then hit Enter to open it up. Click Hardware and Sound. And click Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings. Then change Additional Power Settings. Now down here, click USB Settings to expand it. Then click USB Selective Suspend Setting. You want to set the value of these two options to disabled. Click Apply, then click OK. Now try reconnecting the device to see if the issue has been fixed. If the issue still persists after following the steps in this video, try connecting the device to another PC. Also inspect the device for any signs of physical damage. If the device doesn't work on the other PC, or if you notice any physical damage to the device, you'll need to replace it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.